Assam Hills Area Development Minister Arideng Pendifu Head Post Office along India Post Payment Bank Kangpu. Perangkia Phan Katumpra Ington Nangji Karbi Anglong Perangkia Ham Phang Pen Deputy Commissioner Phan Pinpura Loke Pajir. Dokungka MSC Cup Phan Chitini Pai isi ani teke rongpi patro klamalong football ke pathu ke cheng. Karbi prime time along penili Vilarbon Kropi non biotang ton pen arjuitha India Kapreka state a district along India Post Payment Bank Matiti Hekpen IPPB Kangpu Angrialong Pachton Dunsi Karbi Anglong along the Chiti isi ani Difu Head Post Office along IPPB in Pupon Assam Sarkar Hills Area Development Minister Sumrong Hangsi Karbi Anglong along ke India Post Payment Bank Ingpu India Post Payment Bank ke do penchuti kiarat Charlie Au Sumara Phan Ale do polapen beha ke claim aning ke hang abang phubang phiatum tha isi ke mesana tawar ke tholo pusi bank kangpu alam jeralong minister ronghang alam kiningje aning chepathe bank kangpu amai long MP Biren Singh Ingti Deputy Commissioner Mridul Kumar Mahanta lapen post office along ke claim asai khiatum chetong dun Karbi Anglong Perangkia Ham Phang Penta Chiti isi arni Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Sai Hema Thengno Perangkia Pharman isi ka chisong amupado Perangkia Phan Kateng Kheng Kepathi Kachenek Kaholo Ington Nangji La Solam Pen India Kapre ka Dimalong ke Kham Khia Sai ke Deng Pona Sonsi Karbi Anglong along ta ke Kham Khia Sai Padusi Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Phan Karbi Anglong Perangkia Ham Phang Pet Ipak Pinpura Lopajir Assam Chief Minister Phan Panongsi Deputy Commissioner Deng Ipak Pinpura Lopajir thu Difu Primplam Lang Somekar Pandarteron Kinang Sot Alomate Documents Samokha Chitini Pai isi arni Difu Rongkilan Pen Difu Hitipi Adak Malom Ingbodet Pusi Kat News Salang Birtanang Pale Difu Primplam Lang Somekar Jona Singh Teron Pen Phurka Ing Tipia Supo Pandarteron a Documents Difu Rongkilan Pen Difu Rong Supia Hitia Dak Ingbodet Kangbodet a Documents Samokha Lake Caste Certificate Birth Certificate Lapen Blood Report Pusi Pachini Lasikelong Abangaling Sitame 963529 5324 number along Kipachini Japan Kachuring Report Pado Namalam Sopor Pan Birta Mo into Panixina Claret Beauty Parlor Folong Kichengsi Sopin Sola Pen Swarlo Pan Kipamaradim Prabjin Pen Ingpupon Kangpu Ponji Lake Pai Chikluni Pai Ingora Nerve Cap Army Ladak nang litum long ikji lake facial, hair spa, hair straightening, hair cutting, shaving, hair curly, tattoo, body spa, pedicure, lapet, medicare, hayu henlo. Claret Beauty Parlor, Difu Main Market Road, Bharati Lodge near Iron Bridge. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Look Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India. Please step in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, flasks, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesre alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecho ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamo people at Birta along Wang Tulo. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang Kapin Khat Pona Constituency Tin Atumta MEC Kapadu Ponvek Nang Jipu Ateng Pen Mahamaya Constituency Ang Kang Teke Rongpi Patok Klamalong Chitini Pai Isi Arni MEC Lun Singteron Arideng Pen Kicheng Siang Reng Mahamaya MEC Cup Football Championship in Pupondo. Kangpu Amay Long Aluhi Sarpo Aman Pen MEC Lun Singteron Manpeng Aluhi Aman Pen Har Singteron Chopha Aluhi Aman Pen Semilang So Block Chairman Surat Singteron Dokmuka Town Committee Amai Pu Prohalat Timung Semilang So Block Mondala Kongchun Bang Babutiso Dokmuka Lem Secretary Rup Singteron Atum Chetong Dun Kichengsi Kipatu Angkuang Long Singteron Polling Station Pen Borgonga Polling Station Ang Bongsi Chepate Ponlo Kipatu Ese Kelang Chadidun Apan Rotoningti Birson Kramsa Sarim Teron Kasala Pen Prohalat Timung Atum Pen Silang Charidun Lo Nadnarate Rangta Kang tang sole pen ki thek soi saya jok pathu chengdet pen ki chengang kung ki jut po porhut Borgonga polling station atum pen ki chengsi angkung along bol ipum thaplo labang sophi angkung ki pathu ponthua hut pathu chengjong pen Borgonga polling station atum bol pumni thapthulo ki jutsi Borgonga polling station atum Singteron polling station atum aphan bol ipum thapthusi Borgonga polling station atum chipahai ponlo Difu Police Station ki parluang kang chitini phai isi arni analopor phai kreni ram minute plikebra pho por malom Difu manja ka cheleng atwar pi mile stroke selong ihum dimapur ke dama bus bike lapen scooty phan ke patong lapen inut areng hu ki sobiota kat news salong nangli Difu manja ka cheleng atwar pi along analopor phai kreni ram minute plikebra pho por malom ihum dimapur ke dama bus motorcycle lapen scooty phan ke patong Labang so bus scooty phan patong si pen anak ke helut ang chithur pon lo pusike thek dun longa bang photum pen pachini bike pen scooty phan ke patong phit jong bus driver la pen handyman atum bang hita adimalong pen kat phit bus number la ke AS076278 pusi pang thek lo Kiton kilang asai khiatum birta kilong pen adima long an palidun si kenang sot asai hai deng pon bom lo lapen halapuare hu ki sobang pro phansitami tong sikot pen kiso kilang jiaphan difu civil hospital along an pon lo pusi birta long dun Karbi prime time birta bang kilapan skang ton poniglo dumai thakme kurang thu